Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove apps from your Asus Chromebook. And to do this, we'll need to click on the start button right here. Now go on to the settings. You might need to find them in search right here, so enter settings. Now locate the apps. Select manage your apps. Here find the app you want to remove. In this case I'll be going for a family view. We can also, actually that's search for settings, which we don't want to go for. So here's a family link. Click on the arrow next to the app, and right here there should be an uninstall button somewhere. If not, go for more settings and permissions, and then you'll be able to uninstall it right here with the trash button. Then click OK, and now it's removed from my device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.